Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading a representative sample so you see structure immediately. Start the process by opening the file and inspecting the first 100 rows. This reveals inconsistent types and obvious errors. Once done, capture the schema, column names, data types, and null percentages. Make sure to note file format, CSV, JSON, or Parquet, and approximate size, since that guides tooling. If the dataset is huge, sample 1/10th or set a 0. 1 GB window to work efficiently without waiting. Now you dig into patterns by computing summary statistics and visualizing distributions. Run mean, median, standard deviation, min and max for numeric fields, and draw histograms and box plots to reveal skew or outliers. For categorical fields, generate bar charts and frequency counts to find rare levels. Once these visuals exist, check correlations and missing data patterns so you understand dependencies and reliability. Examine date/time ranges to detect gaps or time zone issues. Make sure to document. To finish, you implement cleaning and validation steps that make the dataset analysis ready. Convert types, normalize categories, trim whitespace, and decide whether to impute or flag missing values. Document each choice. Once cleaned, produce a validation run comparing key metrics against the raw data to ensure no unintended shifts. Make sure to export an updated schema and a concise data dictionary, and save the exact cleaning script so you can reproduce or audit the pipeline. If things go wrong, rerun the cleaning script on the saved sample to debug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.